Hello student, today we will discuss about RDBMS. RDBMS stand for Relational Database Management System. First, we will understand what is a database. A database is a set of data stored in a computer. This data is usually structured in a way that makes the data easily accessible. And relational database means a relational database is a type of database. It uses a structure that allows us to identify and access data in relation to another piece of data in the database. Often, data in a relational database is organized into tables. A relational database refers to a database that stores data in a structured format using rows and columns. This makes it easy to locate and access specific values within the database. It is relational because the values within each table are related to each other. Tables may also be related to other tables. The relational structure makes it possible to run queries across multiple tables at once. The RDBMS is the modern day database technology and commonly used database software for data processing. There are many RDBMS software packages which are based on the relational technology. For example, Oracle, DB2, MS SQL Server, MS Access, Sybase and Ingres. They are commonly adopted commercial DBMS. The relational database management system are based on the rules of relational model suggested by Dr. A.F. Codd in his well-acclaimed paper in 1970. In relational model, the data is modeled as relations or tables. While a relational database describes the type of database and RDBMS manage the RDBMS refer to the database program itself. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is the basic for SQL and for all modern database systems like MS SQL Server, IBM, DB2, Oracle, MySQL and Microsoft Access. A relational database management system is a database management system that is based on the relational model as introduced by A.F. Codd. Next, popular RDBMS product. First one, DB2, ThinkSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, MySQL, PostSQL and Oracle. These are the popular RDBMS product which is used for creating, inserting, updating and deleting the database. Here the next concept is difference between DBMS and RDBMS. First difference, DBMS applications store data as file. In RDBMS, applications store data in tabular form. In DBMS, data is generally stored in either a hierarchical form or a navigational form. In RDBMS, the tables have an identifier called primary key and the data values are stored in the form of tables. In DBMS, normalization is not present in DBMS. RDBMS normalization is present in RDBMS. Then next, DBMS does not apply any security with regards to data manipulation. RDBMS define the integrity constraint for the purpose of ACID property. DBMS uses file system to store data, so there will be no relation between the tables. In RDBMS, data values are stored in the form of tables, so a relationship between these data values will be stored in the form of a table as well as. DBMS does not support distributed databases. RDBMS support distributed databases. Then next, characteristics of RDBMS. Here, first characteristics, stores any kind of data, support ACID properties represent complex relationship between data backup and recovery.